Hey y'all, so as most of you know, I am from Texas and one of our staples is chili con queso. It is what we have with everything and I'm going to teach y'all how to make it. This is my amazing friend Kevin, who is a fellow North American, but you've been living in London for a very long time.
Yeah.
He's going to help me make this queso because let me tell you, he did all the chopping. All right, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all. We have this thing in the States called Rotel, and it's just a can of everything all in there. You open it up, you throw it in here. Well, we're not in Texas, so we had to do everything from scratch. So we have tomatoes, spring onions, a mixture of yellow, green, and red peppers.
And we let that simmer.
Yep, let it simmer, stir it around.
And we're gonna add chili flakes.
Someone forgot to buy the fresh chili. Kevin, no. You could also add jalapeno if you prefer, but since I didn't buy that either, chili flakes it is.
Garlic granules.
That's right.
Because let's put some onion granules. Yep. You can kind of like ad-lib this. I also like putting pepper in here.
Point is just to get all these flavors blended up together and the peppers to be soft. And then you add the cheese. But let's talk about this cheese. So this is Velvetta. Now guys, I'm sorry, there's nowhere here that sells it. You have to just go and buy. What I would do is I would buy a lot of cheddar cheese, probably some cream cheese, any kind of soft cheeses, and then you just add that to it until it gets softened, probably a little bit of milk and stuff like that. But
it won't be the same.
It won't be the same. It'll still be good. But this is processed goodness. No artificial flavors or colors. Who'da thunk? But yeah, and so we will be adding all of this cheese to this to make the most amazing cheese dip. Yeah. So good. I remember when I first started coming over here and everybody was like, you guys eat cheese with everything. I was like, yeah, that and ice. And let's not worry about calorie content or fat.
No, it's about
or anything.
Enjoying it.
That doesn't matter. All in moderation. So yeah, probably don't eat it every day. Good job. So with chili con queso, you can eat just about anything. If you want to have like veggies, you can do that, or you can have tortilla chips. So, pretty self-explanatory. Pour it out of a bag. All right, it's ready. So now serve up and make people very, very, very happy.